Alright, y'all. We gotta move fast today. Get this engine ripped apart, the top of it. We're gonna take them heads off. Check the head gaskets. We gotta check it. We got no choice. It's water in the oil. Shit shooting steam out through the car. Stalling the car. Radiator is losing water. And the car is not even up to temperature. Thermostat not open. Nothing. It's just losing water. Where the fuck is it going? All signs of a blown head gasket. So I gotta take it apart and check it, cause we not getting nowhere. But to frustration right now. You know, it's been too long. Like I came into this. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I came into this thinking it's gonna be a breeze. We got this shit. It ain't nothing. All we gotta do is put the top end together. Ain't shit. The fuck? We got that. Ain't nothing. Getting our ass kicked. Real humbling. You don't know nothing, nigga. Learn something. We know how to do the rocker arms and everything now. Pretty much now, if I was to get the car, I'd be confident. And starting from where we had it at, and I think in a few days, we could put it together, humbly saying, and it'll be running, and it'll be good, and we'll be riding in less than a week or so, bro. We'd be riding. We would have been riding. Fuck. Oh my god! I just realized, bro. The headers gotta come off. Oh shit. Pretty much gotta rebuild the whole motor, because I already redid the timing cover and shit down there. So now we gotta rebuild this top. That's crazy. Yep. We gotta rebuild the whole motor, y'all. That's tough. Going under to get these spark plug orders. bracket, alternator off. Alright guys, I just want to show y'all something really quickly. So I was looking at these rocker arms and I'm noticing, I had watched a video one day and he was saying that all of these screws, the tops of these poly locks for the nuts for the rocker arms should all be about the same height. And I'm looking, and if you look real good, bro, you can see these two exhaust valves, if I'm not mistaken, are higher than everything else on the whole rest of the motor. All of the rest of the motor, all of the exhaust, all of the valves, period, are all the same height. You can look and you can see they all just about the same height. Even those two back there, even though it's a little dark. But these two right here, something funky going on. So I think when we take this head off, I'm gonna have to take it to a shop and have them go over it and make sure it's good, bro. Cause that ain't supposed to be like that. Let's get to taking these rocker arms off. You can spin it with your hand now. Take it off. Alright guys, I think we might be back in business. You know what I'm saying? Alright, look, on a serious note, I think we might have figured it out, bro. Well, I might have figured it out. Look at this. I'm trying to zoom in. Hold up. Boom. If y'all can see that, that's a hole, bro. That is a hole in the exhaust, in the header, which and then was causing us to most likely have a vacuum leak. That gotta cause a vacuum leak. I googled it and they said definitely it'll cause a vacuum leak. Okay, so in this header, this is the header that was sitting on this head right here on the passenger side, and y'all can see. Hold up, let me pull it out, son. Alright, so now y'all can see how this header was sitting on this head over there on the passenger side, and our hole is right there. If y'all can see, it's right here. Okay, so it's sitting right here, and this spark plug hole right here, look how black it is. And I already wiped some of the goo off of it, but it was the one that was out of there. Out of all of the rest, they all look pretty normal. As you can see, there's one right there. It's clean. That's the one that's actually right next to it. This one is cylinder 2, and then we come back this way. That's 4. So this was cylinder 6. I was taking that whooping. Just taking that whooping. Because everybody else is pretty clean. Over there on the other head, we really don't have any issues. Now, what I'm concerned about is this exhaust valve. Trying to see if we are good as far as this valve over here, these two and these two. It look like we might be good, but I can't say. So I'll probably just take it to a professional and have them check it out, because I'm not sure why those two lifters or those two rocker arms on these two valves right here. I think these the exhaust valves. They not going down all the way. Like, they not lined up with the rest of the car. All of the other rocker arms are the same height. So yeah, I don't think there's nothing wrong with the head. This might be a lifter issue. I'm gonna have to go back and find that video and watch it and see what was he told me what the issue was, but I don't remember. I think he said lifter. Definitely lifter. I think it's a lifter issue. So we gonna see, guys. I got some extra lifters. I mean, there's only two. I'm pretty sure they'll be okay if I stick them in there and put some extra assembly lube on the bottom. You know, glob it up, give it some extra to ride on that cam, man. Cause I got some old flat tapping. I don't know, bro. I might just buy a whole new set of lifters then. I might buy some roller lifters. Everything is good. The motor spins over so beautifully, bro. I was so scared. I thought we threw a bearing, fucked a bearing up or something, but I was tripping. Probably spray some WD-40 on these not lifters, these damn cylinders. I want to leave them dry, but yeah, man, back to square one. Got the motor bust wide open, and before y'all say anything about anything up here in the front, we already did that a few days ago. So basically the whole motor has been is getting rebuilt. Whole motor is getting rebuilt. Ain't that a so yeah. I'm still looking for them damn valve cover hold downs. They still haven't popped up, and the motor is ass naked, so I don't know where they went. I've lost two of them. So I'm gonna have to hunt those down. Hopefully I'll find them. This is the issue as well. Those two studs right there are stuck. I mean, really stuck. So I gotta figure out how I could try to get those off and clean everything up. Check out them lifters over there. I think it was these two. And they're down. Okay. Well, guys, time to get scraping. Get this block cleaned up and ready to slap everything back on there. I'm gonna drop the oil pan, clean that again, just cause might as well done everything else. So yeah, man, we're gonna do that. And hopefully we be good to go. I think the head is okay. I'm gonna just set it on there before I bolt it down all tight and shit. I'm gonna check and see what the lifters do, what the height look like. If it ain't looking right, then we'll just go from there, man. We'll try to figure something else out.